Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're working with this GS3, and as you can see, we're rebuilding the group head. But that's not why we're here today. Here we're going to talk about when you have a faulty, when you have a good relay and when you have a faulty relay. And these relays are in the box in the back of the machine with the main electrical board. And this one was for the steam boiler. And here we've hooked up a 12-volt battery, 9-volt battery, excuse me, and that will turn on the relay. You can see it's rated, the input voltage is between 3 and 32 volts DC. And when we check across the two, we get 1 volt AC. Now, if we were to disconnect the battery, we will get 120 volts AC. Or not.
That's pretty funny. Oh.
You get
It's jovial. It's jovial.
you get 38 volts AC. Anyways, you don't get close to zero, and when you don't get close to zero, it's bad. It's either not turned on or it's bad. So I'm going to show you next. I'm going to show you a bad one. All right, now we're back with this bad relay, and what I suspect we're going to get is 30 volts again across. Even though the battery is plugged in, and the battery's plugged in, and it has power going to it. You can see the light is lit up, but I think if we had a stronger load, it wouldn't work at all. Like if we were to put a heating element on it, it might work for a little bit, then I think it would get too hot and it wouldn't work at all. But yeah, so you can see we have 34 volts. Just like the same effect as when we had the battery unplugged. So in other words, it's not truly working well. And then I'm going to unplug it here so I don't get shocked. And then if we look at it closer, we can see how it's melted. Look at that, nice melting all over. So definitely bad and time for replacement. So, thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Thank you.